Nap. Hi, Ez. What you doing? Are you guys playing bouncy? What do you do? Your picture's all messed up on the wall. I see you. There's an Ezra. Oh, that was Eli. This is Ezra. Hi. What's that? Camera? Want to come out? Oh, are you doing the I escaped from the crib dance? And I was like, I'm just going to escape. Bye. Okay, how about you? Can you come out? Good thing it's not smell-o-vision. Okay, there you go. You want your dolly? Here we go. Where's yours? I don't know where she's at. She's not in your crib. I don't know where she's at. I have to find her. Hi, cute babies. Show everyone your messy room. Look at all your toys on the floor. Hi, cute naked butts. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later.